got them in there, give it a twirl just to be a badass. Push it in. This is a crippled point click interface. My 2-year-old daughter and my 1-year-old granddaughter could probably do this themselves. Sample point. I think I broke it. Wait. Oh, hell. It's not in all the way. My bad.
Well, General, maybe you should have pulled out.
Take shots.
Now, I said, General, how do you load a shell?
You stick the gold thing in the hole.
No, how do you put the BB in it?
Damn, jackass. Take this. See, this has got a little black hole about here. Take one of these here. Put it in. You push it so that it's level.